everyone, welcome back. If the Lloyds app keeps logging you out automatically, this is usually related to the security or a device settings. First, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Go to your app store, search for the Lloyds mobile banking app, and then update your app if you have not already updated it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, check that your phone's date and time are set to automatically. Go to the App Store, go to General, then search for date and time and make sure that the date and time are set to automatically. Disable battery saver or power optimization for the Lloyds app. Avoid switching between networks while actively using the app. If biometric login is enabled, try turning it off temporarily and sign in using your password. If the issue continues, reinstall the app to refresh your login session, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.